Hey, how you doing? It's Dan here with Bespoke Fence. Today I want to show you a behind-the-scenes look of how we build our custom gates. This gate was custom designed, manufactured, and installed by Bespoke. This gate was created by our senior craftsman, Jasmani. Jasmani's been in the fence industry for over 15 years and has a background in welding and designing. Because of his experience, he has the ability to create custom gates and fences like the one we are going to show you. First thing that happens is we get this raw steel, and now we have to start measuring and cutting to make the template for this gate. We really let Jasmani create and design this on his own, and he starts laying it out where he seems fit. When it comes to these custom gates, there's really no template. We have to trust in Jasmani to measure, design, and manufacture this gate to the resident's individual driveway. From welding to painting to installing, it really is a strenuous process, but as you can see by our final product, it's beautiful and something you don't see every day in fencing. Every single one of these points where the cross sections or the 90-degree angles is where Jasmani had to cut and weld. One of the last steps is going around and painting these joints so that it won't lead to rust down the line. Just goes to show you the amount of welding, cutting, and labor that goes into making this kind of gate. With Bespoke, we're really trying to make the fence that's made for the customer, and as you can see by his custom gates, we really take our time and try and do it the right way. So if you're looking for a custom gate, visit us at bespokefence.com. Click that schedule a free consultation button. Give us some info about your job and your project, and we'll be reaching out to get you a gate that's made for you.